Hello students, welcome to Akash Live. I'm your mathematics faculty and today we're going to discuss the quick solutions of AIATS, that is All India Akash Test Series for JEE Advanced 2019, test number 2A paper 1 code C and D. This test was held on 25th of November 2018 and the topics covered under the mathematics portions are inverse trigonometry, straight lines, conic sections, sets, relations and functions. Okay, so let us begin the solution discussion with question number 41 based on trigonometry. Question number 41 says that let fx is equal to under root of sine power 8x plus 4 sine square x cos square x plus 4 cos square x minus under root of cos power 8x plus 4 cos square x sine square x plus 4 sine square x, and the function g from minus 1 to 1 to r be such that gx is equal to sine of 1 by 2 sine inverse x plus cos of 1 by 2 sine inverse x. So students, let us carefully observe fx. So whenever such big terms are given in the square root, we always try to make a perfect square out of them. So let us say fx is equal to, I'll write sine by s cos by c. So this is s power 8 plus 4s square c square plus 4c square, this is the first under root, minus root under c power 8 plus 4c square s square plus 4s square. Students, again it is very difficult to break sine power 8. So let us in the first under root put cos square x as 1 minus sine square x. So this will be sine power 8x plus 4 sine square x 1 minus sine square x plus 4 into 1 minus sine square x minus under root of. In the second under root, I am going to substitute sine square x as 1 minus cos square x. So this will be cos power 8 plus 4 cos square into 1 minus cos square plus 4 into 1 minus cos square. So this will be, if we carefully observe, 4 sine square with the positive sign, 4 sine square with the negative sign, 4 cos square with the positive sign, 4 cos square with the negative sign. So 4 terms are cancelled. What we are left with, s power 8 minus 4 s power 4 plus 4 minus under root of c power 8 minus 4 c power 4 plus 4. Students, this is sine power 4x minus 2 whole square. Sine power 4x minus 2 is a negative quantity always. So I'll write 2 minus sine power 4x for the first part. I don't need to take the modulus. 2 minus sine power 4x is always a positive quantity. Okay. Second quantity will be 2 minus cos power 4x, which will give you, this 2 is cancelled, cos power 4x minus sine power 4x, that is cos square x minus sine square x into cos square x plus sine square x, and that is ultimately equal to cos 2x. So this big function is simply reduced to cos 2x. Okay, let us now simplify g of x. G of x is sine of 1 by 2 sine inverse x plus cos of 1 by 2 sine inverse x. Okay. Now students, x is given from minus 1 to 1, that is very obvious. The obvious substitution is that we have to put x is equal to sine 2 theta over here. So g of sine 2 theta will be sine of 1 by 2 sine inverse sine 2 theta plus cos of 1 by 2 sine inverse sine 2 theta again. Obviously x is given to be minus 1 to 1. Sine inverse sine 2 theta will be equal to 2 theta. So this is sine of 2 theta by 2, that is sine of theta plus cos theta. And that can be written as under root of 1 plus sine 2 theta. That is a very simple function if you realize now. Sine 2 theta was x. So gx is simply root of 1 plus x. That's it. Now what is the question asking me? The question is asking me range of g of fx. Range of g of fx will be equal to under root of 1 plus cos 2x. Under root of 1 plus cos 2x simplifies to 2 cos square x root, that is root 2 mod cos x. Mod cos x, the range is 0 to 1. Root 2 into mod cos x, the range is 0 to root 2. Option number C is the correct choice. Okay. Let us move further to question number 42. Question number 42 says that let f from r positive to r positive is a polynomial function satisfying the equation f of fx is equal to 30x minus fx. Then what is f8 equal to? So students, let us say fx is a polynomial of degree n. If fx is a polynomial of degree n, it is very evident from the given equation that f of fx is equal to a linear function minus fx. That means f of fx and fx have the same degree. Let us say if fx is a polynomial of degree n, f of fx is a polynomial of degree n square. So n square has to be equal to n. That means n is equal to 1 because n cannot be 0. Okay, it is not a constant function. The only possibility is that fx is a linear function. This is the conclusion of the discussion. What is the discussion? F of fx and fx have the same degree, only possible for linear functions. Fx is a linear function. Let it assume it to be fx is equal to ax plus b. F of fx will be a into ax plus b plus b. So let us use the equation a square x plus ab plus b is equal to 30x minus ax minus b. So comparing the coefficient on both the sides, I have a square equal to 30 minus a for the coefficient of x, and I also have ab plus b is equal to minus b. So this will give me 2b plus ab is equal to 0. So b into a plus 2 is 0. Either b is 0 or a is minus 2. I have to take the intersection with the first condition. So let us see what is the first condition giving me. A square plus a minus 30 equals 0 is the condition. So a minus 5 into a plus 6 equals 0. But we can straight away conclude that a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 0. Why I have rejected a equal to minus 6? Because f is from r positive to r positive. Okay, so a cannot be negative. A is 5, b is 0. What is the value of f8? fx is 5x now, f of 8 is 40. So this is the answer of the question. Option number B is the correct choice. Okay, if you make the observation of the degree of the polynomial, it is a very easy problem. Okay, let us move further to the next question, question number 43. This is the question. It says that the coordinates of the incenter of the triangle whose sides are x plus 1 equals 0, 3x minus 4y equals 5 and 5x plus 12y equals to 27 is equal to. So let us have a triangle first of all. You always make an irregular triangle. Don't ever make a equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle when you are going to do such questions. Okay, there are three sides. All the equations are given. Let us say this is x plus 1 equals 0. This is 3x minus 4y equals 5. And this is 5x plus 12y equals to 27. So students, all I have to do is I have to write the equation of angle bisector of any of the two angles. And then what I have to do, I have to find out the point of intersection of two angle bisectors. It can be easily discovered that origin lies within the triangle. So origin lies within the triangle. So if origin is lying within the triangle, all I have to do is I'll write the equation of bisector B1. These both angles are equal, let it be B1. And I'll choose the easier sides, so I'll write the equation of this B2. And I'll find B1 equal to 0, B2 equal to 0 and find the point of intersection, that is the incenter. Okay. Now, if I have to find out the bisector containing the origin, what I have to do, I have to make sure that C is positive first of all. Apart from that, what I have to do, I have to take the positive sign for writing the bisectors. So the bisector of angle BAC, by using the equations of line x plus 1 equal to 0 and minus 5x minus 12y plus 27 equal to 0 will be x plus 1 upon 1 is equal to minus 5x minus 12y plus 27, because C has to be positive, divided by root under 5 square plus 12 square, that is 13. 13x plus 5x, that is 18x plus 12y minus 14 equals to 0. Let us say 9x plus 6y is equal to 7. This is the equation of bisector B1 equals 0. Let us write B2 equals 0 by using x plus 1 and minus 3x plus 4y plus 5 equals 0. So x plus 1 by 1 is equals to minus 3x plus 4y plus 5. divided by root under minus 3 square plus 4 square, 5. So 5x plus 3x, 8x is equal to 4y. That's it. 5 will be cancelled. So y is equal to 2x. All you have to do is to have to solve these two equations, b1 equals to 0 and b2 equals to 0. By smartly looking at the options, even if I don't have to solve them, the y coordinate has to be 2 times the x coordinate. There is only one option satisfying this condition. Option number C is the right choice. Okay. Let us move forward to question number 44. Question number 44 says that the area of the triangle formed by a tangent and the two asymptotes of the curve xy equals 4. A very simple problem. Xy equals 4 is the rectangular hyperbola whose asymptotes are the coordinate axes. So one line is x equals 0, another line is y equals 0, and the equation of tangent at any point will be given by t equals 0. Any point p can be taken as 2t comma 2 by t. So writing down t equal to 0, xy equals 4. So xy1 plus yx1 divided by 2 minus 4 equals 0, which gives you x by t plus yt equals 4. Two lines are the coordinate axes. Just find the x and y intercept of this line. So x intercept will be 4t comma 0 and y intercept will be 0 comma 4 by t. What is the answer of the question? The area of the triangle, half base into height, half into 4t into 4 by t. So it is independent of the point where you are drawing the tangent because the area will be constant always. Independent of t, t is getting cancelled. 8 square units is the answer. A very simple problem. Option number D is correct. Okay. Let us move on to 45. Question number 45 says that if the ellipses x square plus 4y square equals to 4 and x square upon a square plus y square upon 2 equals 1, for a suitable value of a cut each other on 4 concyclic points, then what is the radius of the circle that is formed is? Students, these two are ellipses. They are cutting at 4 concyclic points. That means the equation of that circle can be given by the family of these two ellipses. So the family of curves will be given as x square plus 4y square minus 4 plus 2x square plus a square y square minus 2a square into lambda. So s1 plus lambda s2 equal to 0. Coefficient of x square 2 lambda plus 1. Coefficient of y square 4 plus a square lambda. They have to be equal to each other because it is the equation of a circle. Equal to 4 plus 2 lambda a square. Okay. So 2 lambda plus 1 has to be equal to 4 plus a square lambda. So from here I will get lambda into 2 minus a square is equal to 3. So lambda has the value 3 upon 2 minus a square. 2 lambda plus 1 x square plus 4 plus a square lambda y square equal to 4 plus 2 lambda a square. So students, what is the radius of the circle? R square will be 4 plus 2 lambda a square upon 2 lambda plus 1, because the coefficient has to be 1. X square plus y square is equal to r square has the radius r. Okay, so r square will be the constant term divided by the coefficient of either x square or y square because they both are same. So let us put the value of lambda. The whole answer will be in the terms of a. 4 plus 2 lambda a square, so 6 a square upon 2 minus a square whole divided by 2 lambda plus 1. So 6 upon 2 minus a square plus 1. So 2 minus a square will be cancelled obviously. This will be 8 plus 2a square upon 8 minus a square. So r square is 8 plus 2a square upon 8 minus a square. Obviously r will be root of the same expression. Option number B is correct. Okay. Let us move forward to last question of this section. Question number 46 says that the set of all real values of x satisfying the inequality modulus of x square minus 3x minus 1 less than modulus of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus modulus of 2x square plus 5x plus 2. A very special question of inequality. The left hand term without modulus is the difference of the two terms on the right. So this can be written as 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x square plus 5x plus 2 whole modulus, which will reduce to x square minus 3x minus 1 less than the sum of two moduluses, 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 2x square plus 5x plus 2. So, students, modulus of a minus b less than mod a plus mod b. The only possibility is that a into b is positive. The only possibility is that a into b is positive. So, the product of these two terms has to be positive. 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into 2x square plus 5x plus 2 has to be positive. Strictly positive. 3x square plus 2x plus 1 has a negative discriminant. A is positive, so it is always positive. I am left with 2x square plus 5x plus 2 greater than 0, which will give me 2x plus 1 into x plus 2 greater than 0. X equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 1 by 2 are the two values for which it is 0. The answer is very obvious from the method of wavy curve, minus infinity to minus 2 union minus half to infinity with the open brackets. Okay, option number C is the correct one. Okay, let us move on to next section.